Can we give a huge round of applause to Terrence Talley? What is up, everybody? How are we doing today?
I believe we're here to save someone's life today. I truly believe that this Thanksgiving break is not going to be the way that you think it's going to go. Continuing feeling the way that you do. I kid you not. Today, we are going to save someone's life in this room.
As we continue this assembly, please be thinking about some things that you have that you may take for granted.
Some ways to show gratitude is saying thank you, smiling at someone, helping someone in need, and being respectful. These are ways you can show that you are grateful, that you are thankful for the people around you.
According to Happier Human, a 5-minute daily gratitude journal can increase your long-term well-being by over 10%. Also, in 2 studies with 243 participants, those who showed more gratitude than average had 17.5% more social capital, but they were more liked by other people.
I'm grateful for loving friends and caring teachers.
I'm grateful for my supportive family.
I'm grateful for coaches that are willing to help me in sports and sport.
I am grateful for the safe community that we live in.
I am grateful for the trainers at Elite that push me to become stronger.
I am grateful for my parents who support me through all my decisions. I am grateful for my coaches and friends who have influenced me. I am grateful for my teammates that are always by my side.
I am grateful for Coach Doran and Coach Roberts. They push me every day to be the best version of myself possible.
I am thankful for the teachers helping me out with schoolwork and my family.
I am grateful for being able to be part of an amazing team.
I am grateful for having good friends who care about what I think and how I feel.
I am thankful for teachers and staff that help me reach and make the goals possible.
I'm thankful for having 2 parents that care about me.